Number 1. 1953 Kaiser Manhattan. Price: $8,500. Located in Santa Clarita, California, USA. This 1953 Kaiser Manhattan is a rare and stylish classic sedan that stands out with its elegant two-tone green and white exterior paired with a matching green and tan interior. The car has traveled approximately 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it features the original supersonic 6-inline engine delivering smooth and reliable performance. The vehicle remains complete inside and out, retaining its classic charm with original wheel covers and rear fender skirts. It runs on a 6-volt system and presents in very good condition overall. While not perfect, it is a true driver quality car ideal for cruising or attending classic car shows. Number 2. 1973 Ford Mustang. Price: $10,000. Located in Maryland Heights, Missouri, USA. This 1973 Ford Mustang is a classic American coupe that offers a great balance between originality and modern upgrades. It has covered approximately 93,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in blue while the interior is clean and styled in black. Powered by an inline-6 250 engine, this Mustang runs and drives well, making it a reliable cruiser. Several components have been recently updated, including plugs, wires, carburetor, and brakes. The car also features aftermarket additions such as a steering wheel, audio system, and subwoofer. The condition is rated high both inside and out with only minor rust present. It also includes spare parts and extras, making it a solid option for enthusiasts or project seekers. Number 3. 1972 Ford Pinto. Price: $5,500. Located in Hayes, North Carolina, USA. This 1972 Ford Pinto has been transformed into a fun and powerful compact classic with a custom V8 engine swap. It has approximately 100,000 miles and features a manual transmission for an engaging driving experience. The exterior is black with a blue interior, showing a mix of originality and upgrades. The car is equipped with a 302 V8 engine, Holley intake and carburetor, hydraulic clutch, and a performance transmission setup. It also includes a fiberglass hood, racing fuel cell, upgraded brakes, and new components throughout. The vehicle runs strong and delivers an aggressive sound. While it needs paint and some body work, it remains solid overall. This Pinto is a unique build that offers both performance and character. Number 4. 1970 Dodge Dart. Price: $10,000. Located in Somerset, Kentucky, USA. This 1970 Dodge Dart is a solid and mostly original classic sedan that has been well maintained over the years. With approximately 85,000 miles, it features an automatic transmission and is powered by the reliable 225/6 engine. The car has recently received several important updates, including new tires, brakes, carburetor, fuel lines, gas tank, and battery. It runs and drives smoothly, making it a dependable choice for classic car enthusiasts. The body is in good condition, reflecting its solid structure and originality. This Dart is ideal for someone looking for a vintage vehicle that can be enjoyed immediately while still offering potential for further restoration or customization. Number 5. 1972 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Price: $8,500. Located in Virginia Beach, Virginia, USA. This 1972 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a stylish European classic known for its sleek design and enjoyable driving experience. It has traveled approximately 121,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. The exterior is finished in bright yellow with a black interior that retains its original seats along with new carpeting. The car runs and drives very well, supported by a rebuilt distributor and carburetor. It features front disc brakes and rear drum brakes for improved handling. The floors are free of rust, though the front nose has had previous repair work. Overall, it is in good condition and includes spare parts. This Ghia is a great choice for collectors or vintage car lovers. Number 6. 1970 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Sedan 4D. Price: $7,500. Located in Enfield, New Hampshire, USA. This 1970 Chevrolet Caprice classic sedan is a full-size American classic that offers comfort, style, and smooth performance. It has approximately 86,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior and interior both feature a matching gold finish, giving the car a distinctive and vintage appearance. It runs and drives well, making it a practical option for those seeking a usable classic vehicle. The car comes with complete paperwork, adding to its value and authenticity. While it is not a fully restored show car, it presents nicely and remains a solid example of a classic Caprice. It is a great choice for cruising or enjoying classic car ownership. Number 7. 1975 Chevrolet El Camino. Price: $4,500. Located in Stockport, Ohio, USA. This 1975 Chevrolet El Camino is a classic utility vehicle that blends the style of a coupe with the practicality of a truck. It has traveled approximately 103,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in brown, this El Camino carries a strong vintage presence and is powered by a 350 engine that provides solid performance. The vehicle runs and drives, making it a usable classic for daily cruising or weekend enjoyment. While it may show signs of age, it remains a dependable driver-quality car. It also offers flexibility with the possibility of partial trades. This El Camino is a great entry-level option for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a functional and affordable classic vehicle. Number 8. 1969 Chrysler New Yorker Sedan 4D. Price: $2,500. Located in Patchogue, New York, USA. This 1969 Chrysler New Yorker is a full-size luxury sedan that represents classic American automotive design. It has approximately 108,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Powered by a 444-barrel engine, this car remains largely original with a very straight body. The beige exterior pairs nicely with a gold interior that is still complete and clean for its age. The vehicle has been sitting for several years and currently does not start, though it does crank. There is visible rust around the rear window and windshield, as well as surface rust in the trunk. This New Yorker is ideal for restoration enthusiasts looking for a solid and complete vintage project car. Number 9. 1966 Buick Skylark. Price: $8,500. Located in Coventry, Connecticut, USA. This 1966 Buick Skylark is a classic sedan that offers a great opportunity for restoration or immediate enjoyment. It has traveled approximately 104,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in off-white with a black interior, giving it a clean and timeless look. Powered by a 300 V8 engine, the car starts, runs, drives, and stops as expected. It is structurally solid with only surface rust present on the floors and trunk, with no major rot issues. This Skylark is considered an easy restoration project due to its solid condition and completeness. It is a reliable classic that can be enjoyed as is or further improved for show quality results. Number 10. 1963 Buick Electra. Price: $3,000. Located in Gowanda, New York, USA. This 1963 Buick Electra 225 is a large and iconic American luxury car that offers a strong presence on the road. It has approximately 80,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The vehicle is powered by a 1973 Buick 350 engine, making it a functional driver rather than a fully original example. Finished in black inside and out, it maintains a bold and classic appearance. The car runs and drives, though it will require some work including a potential gas tank replacement and cosmetic improvements such as paint. Currently uses a fuel cell in the trunk. This Electra is best suited for buyers looking for a budget-friendly project with solid potential. Number 11. 1967 Plymouth Fury III 4-door hardtop. Price: $7,500. Located in Midway, Tennessee, USA. This 1967 Plymouth Fury III hardtop is a clean and stylish classic cruiser that delivers both comfort and vintage appeal. With approximately 20,000 miles, it is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both finished in green, creating a unique and consistent classic look. This hardtop model offers a sleek design without a center pillar, enhancing its vintage character. The car runs and drives great, making it ready for immediate enjoyment. It has been well maintained and remains in good condition for its age. This Fury 3 is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a dependable classic that can be driven as is or gradually restored.